This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister and Head of Imperium Chambers. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, so I thought I'd reintroduce myself to existing viewers and hopefully some new viewers at that time. Who am I? Well, some of you will know, having watched my previous videos, I'm a well-known immigration barrister and media commentator. A barrister is a specialist lawyer or advocate called to the bar who advises and represents their client. I am the head of Imperium Chambers, which is a set of barristers based in the heart of legal London, opposite the Royal Courts of Justice. I am also licensed to provide my services from advising to representing directly to the public. Normally, barristers would provide advice to their professional clients, which would be solicitors. I do this as well, but have made a speciality of being able to provide a one-stop shop to my client. I have over 25 years experience in the field of immigration and human rights law, and I've appeared in all the courts in England and Wales, from the first tier tribunal through to the Supreme Court. Another aspect of my work is providing regular, well hopefully regular, updates on immigration law and news on this channel. As a result of my experience, I'm often called upon to comment on developments in immigration law in the media and regularly appear on television where my views are sought. What do I do? Well, as a direct access immigration barrister, this means, as I've mentioned, I don't just work for solicitors, I also deal directly with the public. This is a great way of being able to provide a one-stop shop service to clients, and hopefully a seamless service from the initial conference to hopefully the grant of the visa at the end of the process, as well as seeing clients in conferences, which for some people is all they need. I will also prepare applications for them for leave to remain for entry clearance or leave to remain in the United Kingdom. Being involved from the very outset and wrapping in my experience, I can ensure that any potential issues or reasons that an application might be refused can be addressed at the outset and hopefully avoided. For clients where I have to prepare an appeal, I can use my 25 years experience in the immigration tribunals to hopefully avoid some of the pitfalls and make sure that the evidence and the representation is first rate. In addition to advising and appeals, I've also done a number of, quite a large number of judicial review challenges against the government and the Home Office, and have sought last-minute injunctions from the court, High Court, and also the Court of Appeal by telephone, which is interesting, but also a little challenging. Additionally, I've also represented a number of high net worth clients in countries as diverse as Angola through most of Europe to Thailand. It's an area of work which requires a more specialist touch. Where am I? As I've mentioned, I'm at Imperium Chambers, which is based in Thanet House opposite the Royal Courts of Justice. And if you want to get in touch with me and engage my services or just have a chat, you can do so by calling Chambers on 020 272 3488 and speaking to the Chambers Director Nick, who will happily arrange for a conference with you. I hope this has given some sort of idea as to what I do and how I do it, and why I can do it. And if you do have, or you think you may have, an immigration problem and you have a desire to get it sorted out or get some very honest advice, then I look forward to hearing. This is, again, Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister and Head of Imperium Chambers.